Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the Range Rover, our first fault in, what, 6 months? Something like that. There's an air leak coming from the back. So we're just going to check it out. We're going to put it up on bricks to give it a bit more clearance, and then we're going to raise the suspension to full height, and that's when it does it. It runs and the compressor runs off. Right guys, I've been underneath. What it is, it's an airline. It's got a pinhole, well not a pinhole, it's a bit of a hole. The back axle's so rusty, it's put a hole in the pipe. So yeah, I'm getting a suspension fault on this Range Rover. The pump's running and running and running, and then it gets to a certain temperature and it just cuts out. And then it just goes into normal ride height. But it is the one of the airlines going to the rear airbag on the driver's side, which is a pain in the ass because it's in the worst position you can get to. You can't get your hands in anywhere. The only way you can do this properly is to drop the whole back axle down and renew the airlines. I haven't got time to do that, and the bolts will probably shear anyway. It's that rotten under there on that back axle. Once a new back axle for me, it's probably going to fail its MOT on it. So I'm going to look for one eventually, get it powder coated, probably renew everything and put it on, and then this thing will be as good as new. Right, so this is what we're going to do. As you can see, I've cut this pipe. It was like that. Cut that with a Stanley knife, and then we're going to use these tie grips here to hopefully clamp it. And you fill this full of super glue. So fill that full of super glue, put it on the pipe, and then clamp it up, and let's hope it's going to work. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. So I've sleeved it, and then I've sleeved it again to protect it from the airline, from the rust. You see how rusty this is? So what this has done, as the car's been driving up and down, is put a hole in this airline. So I've sleeved it here, and the awkward hole is, it would be awkward, wouldn't it? Let's see if I can get in here. Can you see? It's where you can't get your fingers. It's in the worst possible place, and the only way you can do this is drop all the back axle out to do it properly. But I probably will do that when I've got 2 minutes. So can you see the super glue in that hole there? Now I'm going to clamp it up with the tie grips. So let's hope it's going to work. Right guys, I've sleeved it and it's worked. Can you see? The very light blue is the airline, and I've sleeved it with that dark blue. Oh, I didn't see that. Can you see that? And it's worked. I've run the pump and it doesn't go off and say suspension belt. See that on the tip of my finger? That's super glue in there. So what I've done, I've sleeved it. I put super glue in there. I've sleeved it, and then I've just clamped it with a Jubilee clip. Can you see the Jubilee clip there? And it's worked. This is just a quick fix. I've sleeved it there as well, because what's happening when the car's running and it's going up and down. See that as well? I put a tie grip on that one. As you can see, this back axle's, well, rear subframe, it's rotten. Needs to come down, be shot blasted. I'm going to look for another one. But as you can see, that's worked for now. What a bastard. Thing with these cars, they'll all do it. Can you see how badly corroded this rear subframe is? The front one's really good, but this rear one's fact. and they'll all be like this. You see, unless the car should have been powder coated when it was brand new, but they don't do things like that. And you see, look at it, it's rotten. But it drives so nice. That's not too bad. Anyway. Right guys, that's the Range Rover fix for now. No more air leak, so it lives another day. So anyway, on that note, seeds above it all.